Hi guys, welcome to the Monday Marketing Minutes.
Ready to tackle a new form of paid media marketing? This week we're here to talk about YouTube ads.
Lights, camera, YouTube ads. So users who watch YouTube ads to completion are 23 times as likely to visit or subscribe to a brand channel, share their video, or watch more videos from that brand.
Like most paid media marketing, running a successful YouTube campaign starts by determining the goals and objective of the campaign and then determining the ad format. There are skippable, non-skippable, discovery, bumper, and even masthead ads available.
And you also have pre-roll ads, which, despite their name, actually occur before, during, or after the video.
Right, these are what we consider a true view skippable ad format that allows a user to skip after watching 5 seconds of the video. These formats are typically between 15 and 30 seconds in duration.
And don't forget about bumper ads, which are these short 6-second non-skippable format ads that play before a video.
That's right, and when you're ready to set your campaign live on YouTube, it's fairly straightforward. You'll select the campaign name, the objective, and then your targeting options along with your video type.
And we do recommend that TrueView skippable ad format. They're just a really great user experience and they provide better conversion metrics, right, Sean?
Yeah, that's right. And that's all we have time for this week. Please check out our blog to get more information on this topic.
And then let us know what you think of this video in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and catch next week's episode where we'll be talking about making video marketing work for any business.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.